If you need a replacement bladder for your hydration pack, keep watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this Zelvot 2-liter hydration bladder that was sent over to me to check out. Let's jump right into it. Let's start off with what comes in the box. You're going to get a 2-liter bladder, your tube. This here is a cleaning kit, one for cleaning the full tube and one for cleaning the mouthpiece, some clips, and extra O-rings for the attachment here. So this here is a 2-liter BPA-free bag. Features a quick release tube here, super easy to operate. Simply push the button, attach or release. It's got a high flow mouthpiece here, bite and suck. You guys are familiar with that. The opening I like a lot. It's super easy to fill this up. Simply pull the slider off. It's got a full opening on the top of the bag here. Fill it up. It's got a fill line. To close it back up, simply put the slider back on top like so. Insert it into your backpack and it's ready to go. So very nice little, replacement bladder for your hydration pack if the one you've been using is all gucked up now, or if it's got a hole in it or whatever and you need a replacement. I hope this helps.